Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In today's video we're gonna do a simple navbar with a submenu of the submenus. We have something here, we have our nice background. It's gonna be a plain HTML page with no any indication like this. We've got only our navbar. We have our font and some icons which we're gonna see inside our project, how we can embed them inside our HTML file and give them some stylings. Here we got our basic menu, submenu, and one more submenu. Inside our submenu we have slide here animation of the arrow to the right side. We've got our services, contact, nothing is clickable, everything only for navigation bar. We've got here our home. So let's jump inside the build and see how we can construct this. So let's create our folder for our image and name it image, obviously. Go out, create the basics, HTML, index.html, sorry, that's my bad, .html. And obviously I'm gonna create the style.css file here, not here, yeah. Oh my god, what I've done? Not a folder, but a file. Go out, create the file, index.html, yeah. And one more, style.css. Okay, let's do our exclamation mark tab. Let's link our CSS file, and it's done. Okay, let's also drag our photograph inside our image here. That's okay also. Open it wide. Let's go to Google and download the fonts, but first of it I'm gonna download the images that I showed on navbar beside the each menu. And here I'm gonna say font awesome, GDN. Go to GDN libraries and go to 4.7 version that we've got inside our project. And from here I'm gonna select fontmin.js, this one. Copy the tag, go inside our head, paste it here. Okay, and we need something more. We need the font styles. Google Fonts, Google Font. Go inside my Google Fonts, go very quickly, go to fonts. I want Poppins, yeah. Let's drag all the way down and select the regular. Okay, here I'm gonna say import. I'm gonna copy all this, copy it, go inside my project, index style.css, paste it here, do our first basic, which is margin 0, padding 0. I'm gonna do this because I need to also paste the font style. That's why I'm doing now the basics. I go inside my body, I say min height of 100 view height, And here I'm gonna paste my font style, copy in here, and paste it all the way here. And we have done. Go back our index.html. I want to open it to the site. Open it with live server, obviously. Go all the way back like this. Okay, drag it to the site. Okay, go down to body. Can you see it? What I'm doing here? Go inside the body and create our first element here. I'm gonna say navbar. Nav. I'll create my nav unsorted list. Inside this unsorted list, I'm gonna do one of li, a tag, and I'm gonna copy this for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 times, including this. It's gonna be 5 times. Do the hashtag thing here. And copy it for 4 times quickly. 1, oops, that's my bad. 2, 3, and 4. Quickly, I'm gonna name every single tag here. We have home. We have projects. We have services. Nice. We have what else about us? Also, we have contact. Okay. Save it. Here we have our main things. Now I'm gonna create the basic unsorted list menu. Now, below the projects, I'm gonna create a sub menu. One more unsorted list. And here I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 1, 2, and 3. 3 more. A. Populate with 3 times. Tab. We're okay, we're good to go. Oh, what happened here? No, not like this. Okay. Copy it 2 times. Okay. And paste it here. 1. Oops. What happened? I cannot do it. Why? Copy it. 1, 2. Okay. And in here, I'm gonna do my hashtag thing inside my H reference. And inside my projects, I'm gonna say construction. Construction. Oops, that's my bad. Construction. Also, I'm gonna do the green energy. And also, lastly, and bad, good thing, I'm gonna say recycle. Recycle. Okay. Also, below our green energy, I'm gonna create one more submenu with li and a tag. How many times? 1, 2, 3. Submenu within a submenu. That's nice, huh? Don't worry. You're gonna love it. I guarantee to you. And here we're gonna say wind miles. What else we've got? Copy it for one more time. And one more time. 3 times in total. Wave generators. And what else? Hydro energy. Energy. Okay, and we've done. But also our project is not done. Here also we had to insert the icons. Let's insert them. Beside home we have to insert iTag. And here I'm gonna say class. Which one? Fa home FA large. Save it. Here we've got our home icon here. I'm gonna copy it and go to my projects. Where are my projects? Here I'm gonna say gear. I'm gonna go to where? Green energy. Where is it? I'm gonna copy it here, paste it here. Excuse me, I'm gonna do the right arrow that we saw earlier in our introduction. Caret right. Okay. What else we've got? We've got our services. I went to the services. Let's make it a little bit higher. I'm gonna paste here the briefcase. Okay. I'm gonna go between the about us. What we've got here, we have the info cycle. Info cycle. And lastly, the last info card, I'm gonna say envelope for our contact. Envelope, and the 5 icons, the font and some icons are done, complete. Okay, we have complete now the HTML part. Let's go to our styles.css and do some magic tricks there. Stay with me. So we are in body. Let's do our first thing, navbar. I'm not gonna paste now the background image. I wanted to show you step by step how the our navbar is gonna look. I'm gonna say min height of 5 view height. After that, I'm gonna say display flex. I'm gonna say align items center. And then we have the background of RGBA, red, green, blue, and alpha values of 20, 59, 23, 0.4. That's great. Oh, magical things are happening here. Also, we have the navbar unsorted list thing. Let's also plan this. I'm gonna say mean width of 70%. margin, okay, 0 pixels and auto for left and right. Also we have the display flex and justify content space around, align item center. Okay, it looks very ugly, don't worry. Let's move down. Let's style our list items, unsort list items. Okay, list style none. That's great. We have the padding of 0.5 rem from above and below, and 2 rem from the sides. That's great. Also cursor pointer in order to be clickable. Also we have the display flex once again. Align item center to be everything center for. And here we've got the justify content space between. Space between. Something like that. But don't worry, everything is gonna look nicer in a bit. Okay, move on. Let's also do some magic trick when we go above our each list element. We can say background RGB not TGB, RGB red, green, blue of what? 4, 61 and 4. Save it. Okay, this is considered as 1. Don't worry, we're gonna fix it in a bit. Let's also style our A tags, navbar, unsorted list, list item, and A tag. Text decoration none. Okay, color white. Color white. We're gonna say font weight. Sorry, that's my bad. Of bold. And font size. Of how many rems? 1.2 rems. Save it. That's what we see. Let's move on to our child components inside our unsorted list. Now menu. Unsorted list, list item. Which one? NHT child component inside our menu. 2. We grab this. Let's style this also. Position relative. Our second element is our unsorted list for on top level. I say relative because I want to put my submenu as positioning absolute and position it as I desire. Okay. Let's move on. Let's copy this, the whole thing, unsorted list. Now we are in a submenu, and here I say position absolute, left 0, okay, top for view height, display flex. I'm going to position it in a column, flex direction. Okay. I'm going to say width of 250 pixels. Background, it's going to be green. And display none for now. But I'm gonna not show it for now. It's gonna look something like this. Don't worry. I'm gonna do it better. Okay. It's gonna look like this. Not much, but you know, in a second we're gonna fix it, okay? That's okay. What we've got. Let's move on down. And what we've got here. Paste it. When I come above, hover, unsorted list on my first drop-down menu, I'm gonna say display black. I'm gonna show you what I mean. You see, everything comes to the alignment. None. Come to home, services. When I go above the menu, you see, we have here our submenu also. Now, I'm gonna fix this also. Let's move on. Unsorted list item. I'm gonna do some border bottom to the borders. Border bottom. Border bottom. It's gonna be 1 pixel, solid white. Yeah. To each submenu. That's great also. For the first menu and second drop-down menu, I'm going to say display none. For now. What we've got here. Working right. Let's move on. First and second and HT child second also. The drop down menu of the drop down menu. When I go over it, I'm gonna say over on sub menu. I'm gonna say display black, Let's see what's happening. Yeah, we're displaying, but it's not at the desired position that we want. Okay, let's copy this. Do also the transitioning for our right error. I'm going to do a short animation for this. I'm going to say transition 0.2 seconds ease. I'm going to go above this. But don't worry, I'm going to fix it right now. Transform, translate, X, I'm going to say 30 pixels. We're going to go above this. You see, we have a slight animation on our, yeah, that's great. No error. Here now, what we've got, I'm going to copy all this, go all the way down, paste it, save it. And here we're gonna position our submenu of the submenu. Okay, I'm gonna say top 0. I'm gonna say left 251 pixels. Sorry, and display none. Okay, as an initial state of this. Okay. Go all the way down. And here, I'm going to say unsorted list. When I go above this list item, hover. When I hover it, I'm going to say display black. Let's go a little bit. Display black. Okay, we're good to go. Also, I want to transform a little bit my items. Color white. Color white. And margin right, excuse me. How many pixels? 10 pixels. Everything now in the position, right? That's nice. Do also this display thing. Okay, save it. Are we good? Can you see me? Our animations like this, very nice, very smooth. We have our display, but something missing, the background. Let's also do this and close this video. Go all the way up, and say background URL. Open the curly bracket, the double quotes, excuse me, green energy. We've got the image, but not at the desired position. We say no repeat. It's going to repeat it once. Is it okay? It's not okay. Background position, center. Okay, but I want to be covered. Okay. background size. I'm going to say cover, save it, and we've done. Let's see what we've got here. Very nice. Everything runs smoothly. As you can see, we've got the submenu of the submenu. It's very nice, huh? It's very nice. I like it. We've got the construction site. We've got here. So that video was like this. Thank you for watching me. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And don't forget to like this video, because we need to go more up on YouTube algorithm. Thank you once again for watching me. I love you all, and I will see you in the next episode. Until then, be safe, write a lot of codes, and drink a lot of water, okay? Don't be like my voice, because it's my bad that I don't get my hydration or water. So, see you in the next video. Until then, have a nice day. Bye-bye. I love you all. You're one of your kind. Bye.